Euphoria Season 3 Episode 5 may have just delivered the most disturbing and emotionally brutal ending in the entire history of the series. The latest episode, titled This Little Piggy, pushes every major character toward complete destruction while building massive suspense ahead of the season finale. But the biggest question everyone is now asking is simple and terrifying. Did Rue actually die at the end of the episode? The final 10 minutes of episode 5 completely changed the tone of the season. Up until now, Rue has already been struggling with danger from multiple sides, but this episode finally shows the consequences of all the risky choices she has been making. Rue tries to secretly set up magic by planting drugs inside her locker. At first, it seems like Rue believes she has finally found a smart way to protect herself and gain control of the situation. But the plan backfires horribly. Magic quickly realizes what Rue has done and decides to retaliate in the worst possible way. Instead of confronting Rue directly, Magic secretly tells Ulmo that Rue has been working against them behind the scenes. That single betrayal completely destroys Rue's safety. From that point onward, the episode becomes incredibly dark and tense. Ulmo's men grab Rue and drive her deep into the middle of nowhere. The atmosphere during these scenes is horrifying because Rue finally realizes she may not survive this situation. What makes the sequence even scarier is how calm and emotionless everyone around her acts. There is no screaming, no dramatic speech, no last-minute rescue. The show presents the entire situation in a cold, realistic way that makes the danger feel even more terrifying. Then comes the scene that shocked viewers worldwide. Rue is forced to dig her own grave. The moment feels almost surreal because the show slows everything down. Rue is exhausted, terrified, and emotionally broken. Dirt covers her clothes while Ulmo's men stand around watching her. The scene symbolically feels like Rue digging the grave for all the mistakes, addiction, trauma, and destruction that have followed her throughout the entire series. But the horror does not stop there. After digging the grave, Rue is buried in dirt up to her neck. Completely helpless, she can barely move while staring out into the darkness. Then suddenly, Ulmo appears riding a horse directly toward her while holding what looks like a deadly weapon. And just before the impact, the screen cuts to black. No explanation. No confirmation. No answer. That final cut instantly triggered massive fan theories online because the episode refuses to reveal whether Rue survived. Adding even more suspicion, Rue is strangely absent from the preview for the next episode, which many fans believe could be intentional misdirection by the creators. Some viewers believe Rue is dead and the show is preparing for a devastating finale focused on the aftermath of her death. Others think the cliffhanger is designed to psychologically break the audience before revealing she somehow escaped. Many fans also noticed heavy symbolic elements throughout the episode. Rue digging her own grave feels connected to the self-destructive choices she has made since season 1. Some viewers even think the final sequence could partly represent Rue mentally reaching rock bottom rather than literally dying. At the same time, the episode completely destroys Nate and Cassie's relationship. Nate's financial collapse becomes one of the episode's major storylines. Buried under enormous debt, Nate emotionally manipulates Cassie into giving him large amounts of money. Cassie still believes she can save him and continues chasing the fantasy life she imagined with him. But Nate becomes increasingly desperate and toxic. Instead of protecting Cassie, he pushes her deeper into online fame and controversial content creation so they can make more money. He even encourages her to move in with Fontaine and continue producing provocative content because he sees her as his final chance to escape financial ruin. This creates one of the saddest parts of the episode because Cassie slowly realizes Nate is no longer treating her like someone he loves. He is treating her like survival. The tragic part is that Cassie still cannot fully let go of him emotionally. Even after everything, there are moments where she desperately wants their relationship to work again. That is why fans are now divided about whether Nate and Cassie are truly over. Some viewers think the relationship has finally collapsed permanently because Nate's manipulation has become too extreme. Others believe Euphoria is intentionally showing how toxic relationships keep pulling people back together no matter how destructive they become. Episode 5 basically strips every character emotionally naked before the final. Rue faces possible death, Cassie loses her sense of identity, and Nate becomes more unstable than ever. And because Euphoria is known for shocking finales, many fans now believe the final episode could become one of the most emotionally devastating chapters the show has ever made.